Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Momo Makeup and thank you so much for stopping by. I want to start this video off by wishing all of my subscribers and anyone who is viewing this video a very happy holiday season. We are now 10 days away from Christmas, which is the holiday that I celebrate. Happy Hanukkah to anyone who has already started celebrating, and just happy holidays across the board, whatever you celebrate this time of year. I hope that you all are doing very well and are happy and healthy and in a good headspace. This is such an exciting time, but can also be a very trying time for a lot of people. So I just want to send my well wishes and holiday blessings to all of you. I have a new product here from Glow Recipe that I'm super excited to try out. This is their brand new Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. This is what they are calling a highlighting serum. So ultimately it is a skincare product, but you can use it as a base for your makeup as well. I'm sure a lot of you already know this, but Glow Recipe is a very well-known skincare brand that is featured at Sephora. They have tons of really great affordable products, and all of their formulations are considered to be clean at Sephora. The packaging is recyclable, it's cruelty-free, it's vegan. Glow Recipe really has such awesome products, and I'm not just saying that. They do have a few other watermelon-based products, so this is the newest addition. Let's open it up, you guys, and I will start out by letting you know right off the bat, this was sent to me by Octoly and Glow Recipes, so I'm just going to give you guys my honest first impressions review. That's how it always goes on this channel. I am not the type of person who is going to tell you what the brand wants you to hear. I'm always going to keep it real with you guys. When I take it out of the box, it looks like this. It's very, very pretty. Now, first thing I noticed right away, I want to see something. Okay, so it's actually the finish of the bottle. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't the formulation. That is pearlescent. On the Sephora website, you can find a breakdown of this product. It is described as a breakthrough multi-use highlighting serum that hydrates and visibly reduces the look of hyperpigmentation for a dewy reflective glow without mica, glitter, or gray cast, which is a huge claim that they are making. So it's going to be more of a reflective, glossy looking serum, but it's not going to give you a glitter effect. It's a lightweight gel formula, suitable for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin. It is supposed to target skincare concerns of dryness and dullness. It has niacinamide, which is vitamin B3 and antioxidants that are to visibly reduce hyperpigmentation. So the niacinamide is going to help reduce the discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and it's also going to correct the look of dullness and minimize the appearance of pores, while it also contains watermelon and hyaluronic acid. Both are hydrating ingredients. Many of you, I'm sure, already know this, but hyaluronic acid really is one of the best moisturizing ingredients that you can find in skincare. It's going to plump your skin. It's going to help keep it hydrated, help your skin stay looking dewy and fresh. We all know it is wintertime. I live in a colder climate. My skin is just, I know right now from a distance it doesn't look that bad, but my hormonal acne is acting up. And although I do appear to be hydrated right now, it's really actually not that cold today. So, and I've been trying to keep up with all of my moisturizers and things of that nature. I don't know how many of you can relate, but boy, in the winter months, my skin really takes a beating and I have to just mask, stay away from the harsh drying toners and peels and all of that stuff. So this is going to be perfect. They really launched this at the perfect time. I did want to step behind the camera for just a moment to show you how beautiful this packaging is. It is a hard glass component with a matte pink plastic top, and it is just so gorgeous. It does retail for $34. You do get 1.34 fluid ounces of product. So it's a really good amount. It's a fair price for Glow Recipe. And as you can see, this component is just beautiful. Okay, you guys, it is time to try this out. So let's take the cap off here. I'm gonna pump some on the back of my hand just to kind of see what it looks like. So it's definitely a gel, wet type of formula. And you can see it sitting on top of my skin. It's leaving a nice gloss, and I truly don't see any type of glitter reflect in this at all. So that is a good thing to point out. I'm not really a huge fan. I like the properties of illuminating primers in that they are a primer that's going to give you like a glowy, dewy effect. But when they have too much of the glitter and the mica, it just can be a little bit overwhelming and make you look greasy. But this just really hydrated the top of my hand very nicely. You can see this obviously has no product on it. And this has the niacinamide drops. Okay, so what I want to do now is just apply this all over my face. So I'm going to do, I believe the box said you can do 1 to 2 pumps. 2 pumps looks like this. So that's how much I'm going to use for my face. I'm just going to warm it up between the tips of my fingers. And I'm just going to sort of pat it along my T-zone. You can obviously rub it in, like I mentioned. This is a serum. It is geared towards your skincare products. And I forgot I did my eyebrows. I'm like wiping them off. So that's cute. So let's see. Oh, you guys, honestly, my acne is so flared. And I'm trying. I'm taking care of it the best I can. But boy. Last night, I literally thought I got bit by a spider because I'm a picker. And I won't get into details because a lot of people find that to be like disgusting. But seriously, I can never leave things on my face alone. Anything on my face for that matter. I just cannot control myself. And I will just do so much damage. My skin will be damaged. I literally thought I got bit by a spider last night. I was icing my face because I just could not stop. Like, what is that? I just can't. And every time I get a pimple, I'm like, okay, I'm not going to touch it this time. Like, let's see what happens if I actually let it heal. No. It just never gets to that point. I want to mention that this does have a super, super slight, like barely can smell it, watermelon fragrance. Barely can smell it. I want to see if that's even on the list of ingredients. It's literally the second to last ingredient. Fragrance is the second to last, and then benzyl benzoate is the very last. Water is first on the list. Glycerin, niacinamide, those are ingredients number 4 and 5. You really do. You have a lot of good ingredients in here. Okay, so that rubbed in nicely. I feel it sitting on my skin. It is, I don't know if you guys can like see, it's tacky. It's tacky on me. It gives me a beautiful glow. But for me, this is too glowy. Like, I could not go out with just this on my face because I feel like I look greasy. We're gonna see what this looks like as a base for my foundation. That would be what I would choose to use this product for. Foundation I've been wearing in every video lately has been the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Skin Finish Stick Foundation. Mine is in the shade Shortbread 200B. I'm very fair skin with cool undertones. Not that that matters. I don't even know why I just said that, honestly, because this is not a foundation review. Ooh, now you guys are like in there. Okay, so let's start blending. I have to laugh. I'm addicted to the show Shark Tank on CNBC. And I remember the episode when Glow Recipe was on the show. One of the sharks, Robert, for those of you who watch the show, Robert, did offer them the money they wanted, but he took 25% equity of the company. And boy, like, was he smart for doing that. Because, I mean, Glow Recipe is one of the hottest, most well-known clean skincare brands out on the market. Okay, now we're going to, I don't, immediately upon application, I do not notice any type of, there's a hair here though, but dog hair. I don't notice the foundation doing any type of pilling or skipping or bunching up, so that is a good thing. This foundation really is like one of my all-time favorites though, and I never thought, I know when Huda released her first foundation, I just kind of like waited back for everyone to try it to get their verdict. I love a full coverage foundation, but I heard that the fragrance was just too much to bear, so I was like, no, I'll pass. But when I saw this was coming out and I heard no fragrance, I was like, whoopee, and it's so good. Okay, so first impressions, here is the side with just the serum. Here is the side with the foundation. My skin is popping. It's giving me a very glowy, very natural look. I can see the dewiness under my skin. I'm sure you guys can as well. On the high points of my cheeks where the light is hitting it, it just is giving me a very healthy, you know, it doesn't look greasy or oily. It just looks natural and healthy. Now, my neck, I have to work more of that into my neck because it's wintertime and I'm so fair skinned, but this looks really good so far. So let me just apply it to the other side of my face and I'll be right back. Foundation is laid down looking nice. Now I'm just going to go in and apply my concealer. I'm not going to do a lot because I really don't want to do heavy makeup right now. I am going to be shooting my family Christmas card tonight. And when I say family, I mean me, my fiance, and my dog. We have been sending a Christmas card, or I should say a holiday card, for the past 3 years. We take the picture in our living room in front of our tree, and it's just a nice tradition that I decided to start. And you know what? I will tell you guys, if you take pictures at home for your holiday cards and you want holiday cards made, and don't go through, what are the companies out there? Like Vistaprint, and there's all sorts of different like photo printing companies where you can just send your pictures straight from your phone and they'll print it. Girl, boy, whoever is listening, go on Groupon. If there is a Staples store near you, you can get the most amazing deal on Groupon for your holiday cards. Literally, I get 25 cards because I'm not that poppin'. And they cost like $10. And literally, you just like go on their app, design the card you want. They have a whole bunch of different formats, sizes, layouts. And literally, it's the easiest thing. You send it to their printer, and I think in like an hour or two, you can go pick it up. It's worked so well for us. And they give you the envelopes and everything. So all you have to do besides that is make sure you have stamps if you're mailing them. But it's the most convenient thing I've ever done in my life. And the picture quality is good. Because I know sometimes when you send them, Shutterfly is another one that I couldn't think of when I was trying to think of it. And I've sent stuff out there, not holiday cards, but other products to be printed out. And I've gotten them back and been like, what is this? Their quality is not that great. My skin looks incredible. And even though I know that this foundation and concealer work very well for me, sometimes when you get a new primer into the mix, it doesn't always go that well. But you can see this really helped to lay down a perfect base. And when I was touching my skin before I started applying makeup, you could see how sort of sticky and juicy and plump it was. And I think that actually helped to grip the foundation down, to be honest with you. I'm really happy with the way it looks so far. I'm just going to do the rest of my makeup off camera real quick. Then we can jump back into the video and I can just share with you my final thoughts, whether or not I think you guys should pick this up. All right, I'm back. I'm just applying highlighter to the apples of my cheeks. And I have to say something, you guys. I am truly the most inconsistent person with liquid eyeliner. And I challenge you all, if there was some type of competition where we could go head to head and see who does the worst job applying eyeliner with the most experience applying eyeliner, I would kick anyone's ass. And I firmly believe that. I mean, I've been applying eyeliner, literally the same brand, for has to be close to 10 years now. And every single time, if I don't have 20 Q-tips on deck, you will not see me walk out of the bathroom with a successful eyeliner look. It's like, how long, how much practice, how many times do I have to do the same thing over again before I can get a consistent application? Nothing blows my mind the way that does. And it's so frustrating because it can literally ruin your look, especially if the rest of your face is done and you get eyeliner out here and down here. I would love to like join a competition where we just prove how terrible we are at eyeliner. The finished product always looks good, but it takes me 30 to 45 minutes to do 2 winged eyelines. Okay, so here is the finished product. If anyone was wondering, I would absolutely recommend these dewdrops. They are very hydrating. I've noticed an instant plumping effect to my skin. You could see when I pressed down, when it was just on my skin by itself, how it really sort of stuck to my skin. It absorbed and gave me sort of like a bouncy, dewy finish right away. I love this for a primer because I feel like it's not just going to prime your face, it's also going to give you all of the good skincare ingredients, the hydration that comes along with this as more of a skincare item. think Glow Recipe really knocked it out of the park, as they always do. I love their avocado eye cream, which I have right here, and their products are just so next level. As we all know, skincare is something that is absolutely worth the investment because your face is not going to look this good with makeup on it without taking care of what's underneath first and foremost. I hope that you all enjoyed this review, and thank you again for tuning in. I hope to speak with you guys before Christmas comes. It's 10 days away, and I just really wish the best for everyone this holiday season. It's so tough with the coronavirus, but we have to do what we can to protect ourselves and stay safe. So take care of yourselves, wear your mask, sanitize, and be socially distant. That's my public service announcement. We'll see you all next time. Bye.